Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for coming along, tagging along, and finding the channel. What a wonderful shot of the boat, the ship, the vessel. What we got happening here with some big lights. Let's check it on out. We're getting a film going. They're setting up. Channel 12. So yeah, probably the weather showing how nice it is over here. That's how things are done. The Thunderbolt. You could check him out. I always give a shot like this. And let me tell you, nah, I'm not gonna get into that. It's not the way I go. It's not the way I roll. I was just about to film you, and you're moving. Oh, yeah. The big dogs, man. They're gonna tear up the street. I guess the streets catch up and paved. I could get across. It's time I'm going off-road. Here we go. Did you know that Channel 12 News, they use a microphone. They have it clipped to their shirt like so, and they hand it to the people. They must have a contract with DJI. Ooh, what a beautiful day. Did I come early? Did I come late? Will I see a cruise ship or not? No cruise ships. Maybe the sunrise will capture in our eyes. As we ride along, continue along, get where we're gonna get going. I figure I'd come down and not miss this shot. The lights are on. The ride is going. Your ride is going. I'm going down there where the other lights are on. But by the way, I don't need to go back. I got what I got, and this is the shot that will tell it all. So this ride is all lit up. Yes, indeed. We'll go by nice and slow. A nice pan. Maybe you want to get on the ride? Nighttime, watch it drop with the lights showing down. Oh yeah. Littlest treasure and Tony's Express. See? He's testing the ride out, inspecting every single track. I made it just in time to see the sun rise. I kind of have to shift over. Get past the pole. I gotta be on the fire hydrant side, like right here, so you get to see the sun rise. So let's move on just a little longer to get back to the sunrise. Here's a spot, nothing in my way. The seagulls flying, treasure hunting on the land, and the lights on the amusement park going on and off. I guess I got the shot. The highlight over. I don't want to fall in. And yeah, what a beautiful day it is, man. Take it in. Oh yeah. Right on out. The ocean's not waving. Not much sound is happening. Very little. Oh, the bumps and the smoothness. That is the parachute jump. I guess the ride's all checked out. Ready to go. Yes, indeed. The lights are off. And to the next one. Yeah, nice background. my highlight. Yes, indeed. And just too quiet. And that's all I could say. Well, I got my lights that turned off because I stopped. I don't trust it that much on the back because it's a little loose. Well, I'm going to get on going, get on down, and finish up. Time to put a charge on that bad boy. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some. It's time for the fish to get on going and get with Joe. Look, another beat up, bolted car to the floor that can't move. Joe's gonna be good to me, and some beeswax needs to get done. Every so often, this tree falls and breaks once again. Well, there we are, ending our day on fish. Have a great sunrise day. Still out trying to catch that sunrise. They caught on with the fish. And on that note, see ya.